Onitsha, Anambra State, Niger street road construction. This is how the work is currently going on over this place. So the road construction started from Onitsha Head Bridge down to Main Market. So currently they are still asphalting the road, completing the walkways and other things. So within few months, or maybe before Christmas or ending of this month, I think they will be completing it. So like I said earlier, the road has walkways on one side of the road, and the other side you can see this thing, the drainage system. So it has walkways on this side, drainage system on the other side. So watch the full video on my channel.